With the Mailchimp Connector for NetSuite by Tavano team, your customers, products, and orders flow seamlessly in real time, so your marketing team always works with accurate, up-to-date data. Getting started is simple. We connect your Mailchimp store through a configuration record in NetSuite. Set up your store details and make sure everything is ready to sync. With saved searches, we give you full control over which customers, items, and orders are shared. We can even import years of customer transactional history, giving Mailchimp the context it needs to build smarter segments and journeys. When you create or update a customer in NetSuite, that profile is instantly synced to Mailchimp. A Mailchimp icon appears on the record, giving you one-click access to the contact inside Mailchimp's dashboard. And if someone unsubscribes from your campaigns, their preference is automatically reflected back in NetSuite, keeping both systems aligned. Products in NetSuite can be synced directly into your Mailchimp catalog with name, price, SKU, and description. Images and URLs are pulled from NetSuite custom fields, so your marketing team can feature real products in campaigns without extra steps. Every order created in NetSuite is pushed to Mailchimp and linked to the right customer. Order data flows in real time, including totals, taxes, discounts, shipping, and line items, so your marketing team gains the insights they need to measure performance and personalize outreach. With the Mailchimp Connector for NetSuite, we keep your data moving smoothly across platforms, so you can focus on building stronger relationships and driving growth.